A prophecy with a business plan. Life is color. Give color to football. From 2017 to 2020, I stood alone in Cape Verde. Landscaping schools, soccer fields, futsal courts. God had me in this vision. I went to the government, the Soccer Federation. They said no money. I wasn't asking for money. I was asking them to believe. I told them 2026 World Cup in America, Cape Verde qualifies. Nobody believed me. Now Cape Verde is in the World Cup. I'm not here to win a contest. I will do the job for $1. I'm here to build something that outlasts it. In my village, we didn't have a ball, so I made one. Didn't have a field, so I built one. I'm an OTR truck driver, driven all 48 states. But the miles that matter, Spain versus CV. Atlanta, June 15th. Uruguay versus CV. Miami, June 21st. Saudi Arabia versus CV. Houston, June 26th. Cape Verde's first World Cup. Our nation's history. Blue Sharks, middle of the Atlantic, on the world's biggest stage. I've watched every World Cup since 1994. Roberto Baggio's miss, Zidane's red card, Ronaldo's airport, Messi's miracle. I carry history. I've lived in the USA since 1999, Boston, city of champions. Now soccer is having its American moment, but I don't just want to carry a trophy. I want to build Revolution Place, like Patriots Place, for the New England Revolution. From a handmade ball in Cape Verde, to driving 48 states hauling steel, to carrying the trophy at MetLife Stadium. This isn't a contest. This is the vision God gave me. I am Rasta Rock. Let's build Revolution Place. Contest Michelob Ultra.
As long as breath in my chest, I give thanks, I do my best.